Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel once again. We are at our first official VanKulture meet here in the GTA, which is Toronto, or this is technically Mississauga right here. Some sweet vans. Quite a few couldn't make it in. It was very short notice, but from who are here, I'm going to introduce my van. So this one's a 2015 Toyota Sienna. Limited all-wheel drive. I got the whole lip kit on there with the Vossen 20-inch wheels, CV10s. The window visors right here. It is lowered on the RSR springs. Hopefully VanKulture decals coming soon. I'm jealous of the others that have them here. All right, it's a nice good look. Eyelets. Next we're gonna go to this beauty right here. And you are?
My name's Cody.
Cody.
From London, Ontario.
Yeah. Tell me about your van.
2012 Dodge Grand Caravan base model. 20-inch Mazzini wheels. MagnaFlow catback exhaust.
Oh yeah.
Short ram, cold air intake.
Nice. What kind of horsepower are you running?
283.
Nice. I'm gonna walk around. Let's see the exhaust on this beauty. All right, go ahead. Oh, that sounds so sweet. All right, and what do we have here? Oh, look at that. A few more pulling in right here. There we go. Look at that.
I think I need to get a Toyota.
I think that's where it's at. All right, so let's check out this Honda Odyssey. Why don't you tell us a bit about your car?
Oh, it's 2011 Odyssey with 19 inch. It's static.
Nice. BC? Nice, sweet. It's the sweetest Odyssey I've seen here. Nice. Look at that, guys. How you doing?
No, I gave him a ride.
And we have this lovely Sienna. Your name is?
I'm Nick.
Hey, how
Nick.
are you?
My 2011
Yeah.
SE. Work in progress.
Nice. Nice job on the hood there. That's gorgeous.
Did the Japanese rising sun, purple accents,
Nice.
carbon fiber eyebrows, chin spoiler, carbon fiber spoiler on the back. Blacked out all the badging, all the chrome.
Nice.
That's pretty much it.
You got RSR springs.
Yep. RSR,
Nice.
RSR mooring springs.
Nice.
Just put in. Carbon antenna.
Antenna. Guys, this car is clean. Look at that carbon fiber spoiler. Represent VanKulture.
Also upgraded the audio. Got a full Alpine system.
Nice.
Doors. Nice 12-inch sub.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Sweet. Guys, we need a larger turnout next time. What do we have here? Your name is?
My name is Chris. I own a 2007 Pontiac Montana Sv6.
Nice.
What I've done to it is actually this is brand new wheels, past HDs.
Nice.
They're called Thunder. Up in the front, I haven't done anything to the back yet, but in the front I put black headlight housings on. I've painted the front grills black. I've also done a few maintenance things and also added a power driver seat.
Oh, that's amazing. Looks pretty sweet, guys. VanKulture enthusiast here.
Mine's popping at 240.
And what is this? 07 Sienna?
Yep.
You are?
I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. Sweet ride. What do you got going here, man?
These are Braylon wheels, 9.5 all around with 25 offset, 245, 45, 19 tires. It is lowered on Megan version 2
Nice.
lowering springs for a 3rd gen.
Wow.
It's got an aftermarket wing, which I bought on Car ID. And it's got a full sound system, which I spent less than $1,000 on.
Oh, that's pretty sweet. What's your future mods coming on this?
Future mods will be air suspension and maybe some custom body work for maybe the front bumper and the sides.
That's sweet.
Like the custom Odysseys I see on VanKulture all the time.
Ah, nice, nice, nice. Oh, look at that. Looks like we have a conversion in the process. Whose van is this, guys?
What's up?
How you doing, man? Your name is?
Good. Oscar.
Oscar. Thank you. Tell us about your van, man. What's going on? What year is this?
My car is not here tonight. I got a Mazda 5.
Oh, nice, nice,
Currently,
nice.
I stopped the insurance, man.
Oh.
Because of COVID, you know, I barely drive.
Yeah.
So I'll save some money for cars.
That's so sweet, sweet, sweet.
Yes.
What year is this, though?
This is a 16.
It's a 16, and you done a conversion for the 19?
I did a 2020 one.
Oh,
so
wow.
This is the black nightshade edition.
Oh,
So
sweet.
all the grills all blacked out.
Nice.
Spotlight cover is blacked out. If I don't do the nightshade one, it will be a dark gold.
True.
So, it's cheaper like that. And
Yeah.
I don't, as soon as the chrome gets a stone chip, it
Yeah.
will start peeling and flaking. So I'm like, I'll
True.
just go
No,
with
this
that.
looks much sweeter, man.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
So last week I just did the wrap on the lip,
Yeah.
finished the black outlines on the side skirt and the rear lip, and
Yeah, it looks really clean. You lowered it as well?
lower the RSRs.
Yeah.
All around.
Nice.
20 by 9.5 all around, 35 offset. Put a 15 mil spacer in the rear just to pop it out a little bit. So
Looks
now
good.
It looks,
Any spacer in the front? No?
No spacer.
Wow, that looks pretty good. 35 offset, huh?
yeah. The front, just a hood deflector,
Yeah.
cover up the envelope on the hood. So most cost efficient way, but get the job done. Right?
Yeah. Guys, this van is super clean. Look at those wheels, sit flush. That's what a 15 mil spacer will do for you. Whose van is this?
Raymond's. He's
Ray-
just in the washroom right now.
Oh, okay.
Put the JDM brake light too.
Nice.
At night when the light is on, the light will be on as well.
That's
But
pretty.
as soon as you step on the brake, it will do a stroke.
Looks really clean, man. Couple of guys tied up. Look at another clean van here. It's like an SE. SE 15 and up. Hey Raymond, it's your van?
Yeah.
Tell us about it a bit.
How's about it? What you want to know?
What have you done on the car?
Everything stock. Just put like a reaction coil over
Nice.
and rims and the brake pad. I using the Porterfield.
Nice.
Yeah. For
Looks
the
very
rear-
clean, man. Looks very clean.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Because for work, I fix these things.
About 2.5 hours away.
Here we got another one, guys.
Less than an hour. Less than an hour. This
I
morning.
think he's on a little call there. Let's walk around. Looks really clean. Guys, if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get more informative updates like this, more informative content. Do like the video and comment below what you like, what else you would like to see. This is kind of an official last minute VanKulture meet, and here are some of the guys just chilling, having some fun.
Really a barrier back here. That was like
Actually, on my van, I also changed the bumper reflectors to LEDs, sequential LEDs. All right, guys, thank you again for tuning in, and do subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below what you like, what else you would like to see, and click on the bell icon for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching.